In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix GTA Vice City Mss32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match and then take note of your system type. Then open a browser and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click the folder icon and then double click on it. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane and type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. So wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, simply type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.